Hi everybody. Hey, there's a lot of recipes out there for the Copycat Dawn Power Wash. Well, we go through this stuff so fast that I had to make a larger batch because my husband uses it outside with the equipment and working on cars and tractors, and I use it on so many things here in the house, and we go through it so fast that I actually have to buy the large bottle of Dawn. And then when I make this mixture of the Dawn Power Wash Copycat, that I make a bigger batch. Now I'm only going to make the 6.5 cup water one, so that's like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 times the amount of what most of the recipes are online. So this is a little bit bigger. Now if you even want to make it bigger and fill up this jug, you can double this recipe. I have the recipe up here, but I'll also put it down in the description. So anyways, what I did is the 6.5 cups of filtered or distilled water. And then what I did on here is I took this jug, but then I marked it on here with the 6.5 cups of water, so that I didn't have to measure all the time. I could just pour it in here. And then you want to add your soap last because it foams up. So what I did is then I jumped ahead, and then the rubbing alcohol, used the 70%, and that's a half a cup. So go ahead and pour that in. And then there's a whole cup of the Blue Dawn, and just pour that in, and then just shake it up. I mean, you don't have to shake it real hard because you don't want to make a lot of foam, but when you have it all together, all mixed together and everything, then just put it in the spray bottle. Now the spray bottle that the Dawn Power Wash comes with, you can use that one because it has a little bit better sprayer, I think. I haven't really seen a difference, but I bought these on Amazon. You get, I don't know, like 4 or 6 of them, and I bought them because they're blue, because we use this all the time, and that's the only thing I use these for, is the Dawn Power Wash, because we have them all over the house. I have one in each bathroom. My husband's got 3 or 4 of them outside. I got one on the patio. You know, we use it for so many things. So I just get these blue bottles, and then I don't have to mark what's in them because we just know it's the blue bottle has the Dawn soap in it. And so anyway, this is for the bigger batch. It's only 3 ingredients, just the Dawn soap and distilled water or filtered water and rubbing alcohol, and you just mix it together and then fill your bottles. And like I said before, if you want, this is a real easy recipe to double, and a double recipe would fit in here just fine. So you can mark that too if you wanted to. So I hope it's helpful, and like I said, we do big batches because we go through this stuff like crazy. It is the most amazing cleaner. If you haven't tried Dawn Power Wash, go buy it at the store first and see how you like it. Once you've used it, it's awesome stuff. So but it's expensive. So you do it this way, and it's a fraction of the cost. I mean, granted, this is a big bottle of this, and you probably want to buy a big bottle of rubbing alcohol, but those initial costs for those is going to make you gallons of the cleaner. So you're really saving a lot of money. If you like this Dawn Power Wash, I'm sure there's other chemicals in the actual commercial Dawn Power soap, but it's not needed. What we have right here, it works so well that I don't care what's in that other soap. This mix right here is the bomb. So anyways, go ahead and give it a try, and let me know what you think of it, and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe. I need some subscribers. Subscribe and give me a like. All right, thanks.